Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So this was the project that we have created in our previous video. Now I'm going to show how we can add music in the background so that it looks actually like a party. So what we are going to do is, this is our project and we are going to go to the leftmost corner and add an extension of music. Okay, now we have this kind of music available. So I'm going to say, whenever it is in the forever loop, play drums. Okay, it can be snare drum, and whenever it is moving backwards, you should do hand clap. Okay, let's just play it and see how it looks. Yes, and our characters are dancing. So this is how we can add music. Okay, now I can change the sound to tambourine